Hello, it's Monday, September 24th, 2012 at 10:12 p.m. Central Time. And I was back over here checking the Salton Sea area. We're looking at the NEXRAD College of DuPage radar out of Yuma, Arizona. And actually I've been watching this kind of every day. I kind of check what's going on. And something that's really interesting is, I don't know if you can see it very well, but we've got this beam right in here. See, there's just fragments of it. This beam is here often, and it's aimed right at this area right here in Mexico. And what's interesting about it is that it intersects almost exactly where the GWEN tower is here in Mexico. I'll show you on Google Earth here in a second. But also see where this rises up right here? Right there. See it? Let me slow it down just a touch. Yeah, the beam's right in here. See right there, that rises up. But notice that this area here, see how this is just staticky and it's stationary. It's not moving at first. Right here's the beginning of the loop. And then it'll break away. See it break away right here? And that travels, and where that intersects, where this beam is and where that GWEN tower is, that's when that, well, I guess rises up right there. And then also we've got, see the beams going right in here in this hot spot right here. We'll go look at that on Google Earth too. You notice this interstate coming down, I think it's I-8. And see if you just follow it down, and it's just below the border right there. This area heats up first, then this breaks away, intersects this, and then this rises up. So let's go to Google Earth. And here's right here, that beam is coming out of Yuma, right in here. I think it's a military base. You can't actually find the Doppler, or at least I haven't been able to. It's hidden. But anyway, right here is where it aims, where it's always aiming at. And the first time I noticed it was when Hurricane Isaac was approaching New Orleans. I'm trying to get the name of the town here. And again, I don't use a mouse, so things move a little slow. Went north of San Miguel. There was a town right in here. The name's not popping up. Anyway, that's interesting. We have all that smoke right there. And we're going to go over and look at next. I hope I told you the right place there. Let's double check it. Yeah, that's the right spot. Here's the, whoops, hey. There we go. Actually, I'm going to close this down and we'll get the most current image. There's also something I noticed the other day, right, that area I just showed you, as well as where I'm going now, there was an earthquake in both spots. So here's the GWEN tower in Mexico, and that beam intersects right through here, right through this little septic or sewer, I'm not sure what it is. I think they call it, oh, waste something now, I guess, so it doesn't sound so bad. But it's interesting that once again we're running into one of those. And I'll go show you where the other little hot spot is. Over here, follow the interstate down, just below the border, right below here. And we're looking at La Rumorosa. That's what it looks like, or very near there. And I didn't really see anything. Well, there is one area. I'm not finding a town that's, you know, where it's labeled a town, and I did do a search on Rumorosa. I'm probably saying that wrong, sorry. But it doesn't look like what I'm seeing here, so I'm not sure what this is. But going back, well, we went somewhere else. Here's what it looks like on the radar. And this is after the, see here's that, here it's moving across, and here's where it rises up right there. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. Well, maybe. Zoom. Nope. Oh, now my buttons aren't working. This thing's probably reloading. No? Well, okay, we'll go over here to the University of Utah, the troposphere report, and this is what it looks like right now. We've got a low pressure area going right over that area, which is very interesting. But look what happens as time progresses. This is future zero, so this means it's about now. This is each frame is 6 hours later. But look what's going to happen. Oh, they're not loading. What you're going to get, what we're going to get, let's close Google Earth. Sometimes they access my computer through that, see if it works better. Look at that. Oh no, it's not working any better. I thought it would. Okay, let's close some more things down. Well, while we're here and this is working, you can see where these little, the clouds rise up. First they're stationary and then they move away. Let's see if we can zoom in on here. There we go. Here's the Salton Sea right here. And then right about here is where the GWEN tower is. Well, actually, I think we can actually see that little septic area right there. It's dark. Let's zoom in further. Right here's that. See, it moves over. All right, let's see if this is working any better now. Actually, if I just hit animate, maybe it'll go through. No, that's not working either. This is the infrared, and they're under the regional products. And you can see right here where it rises up, moves out, right there. But also we have this, it looks like first it starts out as two separate systems, and then it kind of combines, and you can see that it's going into rotation right here. The little black parts are where they blanked it out so that we can't see what they're doing. See, here the whole thing's blank. Let's go down so you can see the time. That's at 17 universal time on the 24th. Previous frame, blank. And then actually right after that, everything kind of changes. See how it got more extreme? So I'm not sure what they did, but it did have a big impact. See, it's two different systems. There comes the blank screen, and there it just blossoms out. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to keep closing things, and hopefully we can get this thing going. It looks like it's going now. What we're going to get is two areas of rotation, right here and here, which is something that I usually don't see in these two areas, with the Salton Sea area kind of in between. And see the wind's coming this way on this one. Let's let it go through again. And I'll zoom in too. Hopefully this will work. I'm kind of just having it so you can see both sides, but and there it goes into the two separate, which is quite a ways out. You're looking at future 156 hours from now. There we go. Sorry, I should have had this bigger sooner. And go out a little bit. Here's the time down here. And then here's the F, and then the number of hours past F00, which is now. Well, kind of close. It's about 6 hours behind usually. So anyway, let's see if I showed you everything. I showed you that. Showed you that. Oh, this. Under the product menu for the next rad, way at the bottom, they have these dual pole products. So once they upgraded the Dopplers to dual polarity, we can now see different things. But you know, I don't know what these things mean at all. Actually, it's not changing. There it goes. But the one that I found most interesting is the hydrometer classification. This little turquoise area is actually that little cloud that moved off from the GWEN tower, and that's an RA, whatever that means. Hopefully not radiation, but you know, RF, I don't know, radio frequency maybe, UK, the unknown, I don't know. They don't give us, I haven't found something that tells me what these different things are, but this definitely stands out. Actually, there's something pretty intense right here. It's got an HA, an RA, and an HR, all the different colors. Let's see if we can zoom in on this. Let's see, try this. This could mess me up. Nope, it's working. So you can see right here all the different colors. So anyway, I'm kind of rambling on here. Hopefully that all made sense. God bless you. Have a good rest of the night.